Hey, welcome back. Captain Ron here. This is the fourth video of a series of 6 videos that we're doing in a preparation for a pilot who's getting his certification flight. And we're doing 6 different maneuvers. This is the 4th maneuver that you have to satisfactorily complete during your flight test. And we're going to do the vertical descent approach for a landing. Now, generally, the vertical descent, the FAA will call it a high-rated descent and recovery. Well, and the most appropriate place to do this is on your final approach for landing. Now, I encourage you to do this type of approach when you're landing on like a grass runway, when you have obstacles at the threshold of the runway. So we're going to illustrate this with this model. And for instance, this chair here will be an obstacle. And rather than flying low approach over trees or what have you, power lines or whatever, and then landing, it would be a lot safer, a lot more safety margin if you would come in at a high altitude and slow the aircraft down. Now this is much higher than what I'm illustrating, say 1,000 feet or 800 feet above the ground. And you would slow the aircraft down to approximately 40 miles an hour and let it and lose altitude. It's kind of like an air flaps on an airplane, only you're losing altitude without gaining airspeed. And then at a certain minimum altitude, say for instance 600 feet between you and the ground, you would lower the nose, pick up your airspeed, your approach airspeed, to, in this case, generally 60 miles an hour, and come down and do your flare to landing. Now, I don't know how you're going to be taught to do this, but it's best to come in at slow your airspeed down to about 40 miles an hour. And you have to be careful though, if you've got a headwind, a strong headwind, and you throttle back too much, the aircraft is going to start drifting rearward. You don't want that to happen, because if you had an engine failure, you not only have to gain airspeed, but you got to get going forward. And that's very critical. So you want to keep about 40 miles an hour, 30 to 40 miles an hour. This gives you a little more safety margin in case you did have an engine problem. And most engine problems occur when you make a throttle change. So here again, slow the aircraft down at a high altitude, 40 miles an hour approximately, and then when you leave 600 feet above the ground, just lower the nose, regain your approach speed, 60, and then do your flare to land. Okay, now let's go fly that maneuver in the aircraft. Thanks.
Okay, we just did the illustration on a...
traffic, November 4910, Papa, left crosswind, search traffic.
Okay, we're going to do the vertical descent to land, which is a high-rated descent and recovery. We got Tyler up front, my co-pilot. He's operating the camera, and he's going to make me perform this maneuver. So we're going to just slow it down on our left base.
Search traffic. Airplane close in left base, short final for runway 19.
Alright, we're slowing it down a little bit, using the back trim.
Search traffic 10 Papa, left to downwind. We're going to be departing to the north and circling back around for the RNAV into runway 19. Search the traffic.
Okay, we're going to line up on final. Remember, we're going to illustrate a descent, and the purpose of this is to fly high over obstacles at the threshold of the runway. And you can do this vertical descent at any low airspeed, but we're going to try it at 30 to 40. Leaves us a little more safety margin in case we have an engine problem. We've got to pick up some airspeed, so we use altitude to gain airspeed. All right, here we go. Just let it sink. Let it sink. There's not much wind, so we don't have to worry about going backwards. And then once we reach about 600 indicated, that's altitude below us in the ground. Here we go. Lower the nose a little bit. Pick up your approach speed, which in this case is 60. And you can add power if you want. Bring it down and just do a normal landing. Coming close to the surface of the runway. Let it slow down, bring the cyclic back, add power if you need it, and we're on the ground.
Traffic 1 Sierra Papa at 2,300.